A woman who shoved a beloved 87-year-old New York City voice coach to her death has been sentenced to more than 8 years in prison. News.com has confirmed that 28-year-old Lauren Pazienza has been convicted of first-degree manslaughter in the death of vocal coach Barbara Maier Gustern. Pazienza's prison time will be followed by 5 years of supervised release. Pazienza could have been sentenced to 25 years if she had been convicted in a trial. She reached a plea deal with prosecutors in August. She was to receive 8 years in prison for pleading guilty. Judge Felicia Menmin, who sentenced Pazienza, stated she was really concerned about her inability to take responsibility for her actions, and for this reason she was given a prison sentence 6 months longer than expected, according to the New York Post. The unprovoked assault occurred on March 10, 2022. According to the Associated Press, on the night of the attack Pazienza was out celebrating and drinking heavily with her fiancé when the two were asked to leave a park in Chelsea as it was closing. Pazienza crossed the street and swore at the elderly woman, then intentionally shoved her to the ground, causing her to fall on her head, the Manhattan District Attorney's Office attorney said. The two women did not know each other. The impact of the fall caused a massive hemorrhage to Gustern's brain as Pazienza walked away from her bleeding victim. Gustern died 5 days later after she was taken off life support. Almost 2 weeks after the attack following a widespread search, Pazienza, who had been hiding out in her parents' Long Island home, turned herself in. Having previously pleaded not guilty to first and second-degree manslaughter, on August 23, 2023, Pazienza, who worked as an event planner, later pleaded guilty to 1 count of first-degree manslaughter. Judge Felicia Menmin, who sentenced Pazienza, stated she was really concerned about her inability to take responsibility for her actions, and for this reason she was given a prison sentence 6 months longer than expected, according to the New York Post. Prior to the judge's ruling, Pazienza apologized twice to the court. Her first attempt lasted 10 seconds, with a second apology coming after her lawyer, Arthur Adala, signaled her to say more, the Post reports. "I never should have pushed anybody, and I'm so sorry," Pazienza said. "I wish I could take it back, but God doesn't turn back the clocks. I'm just so sorry." A.J. Maier Gustern, Barbara Gustern's grandson, later said he doubts the sincerity of Pazienza's apology. "She's squirm and squirm and squirm," Gustern said according to the Post. "She just doesn't seem like she is even maybe capable of accepting responsibility." In a court statement reported by Newsday, A.J. Maier Gustern also said, "I curse you Lauren Pazienza, and, for the rest of your days, may you be miserable." Notable students of Gustern included Blondie singer Debbie Harry, avant-garde artist and activist Diamanda Gallas, Bikini Kill's Kathleen Hanna, and countless Broadway performers.